Blessings, love. And we honor our divine annual Scorpio solar season, Taurus full moon, and the lunar eclipse activation that is growing and building within and without. The power of Scorpio and Taurus lives within all sentient life. You do not need to have Scorpio or Taurus in your birth chart to access, anchor, and assimilate this powerful energy. Learning that we are energetic beings by nature and we are conscious, powerful receivers for this energy that you cannot see and you can only feel to know. You can only tune into the greater self through the heart space. And all humans are being called, especially those who do not identify as female. There is a calling for you to reconnect to your own feminine energy within, beyond the concept of human gender. It is the power of nature to receive, to amplify, to create, to give birth to consciousness, to awaken, to become the container for the grief and the transformation that is being called from deep within. Taurus allows for you to learn to feel through the being, through the body. Are you willing to remember? Are you willing to grow? Tune into your heart tonight. You're all called.